So here we have a tragic police pursuit of a BMW M3 F80. It's two-wheel drive. I don't know if he had stability control off, but he entered that corner in way too high speed. Crashed with the oncoming car and he didn't survive. So think about this. This is the ultimate price, death sentence for not stopping for police. Keep that in mind. Thank you, County Boys, for the video.
Two vehicles, get TSP en route. I need fire. I need fire. Entrapment.
120. Look it up on our GPS. I'm showing him at the corner of Harris and Park Hill. Alright, vehicles on fire, vehicles on fire. Brian, I got one of the occupants down from the other vehicle. Getting your messing around. You play silly. Alright, vehicle fully involved right now. The offender's still in the vehicle, I think. Get to him. Hey, fire, 1018. My traffic unit, get to him. Y'all should have extinguishers trying to hold it down some. Try to put the fire, keep the fire off the officer. What is 620? Should be, look on your map, should be Harris Trail and Parker Hill. I'm in route, I'm coming. Alright, look by GFC. Taking Harris Trail at Park Hill 20. Alright, hold on, please, go. 15 America. Corner. You need to slow down before you get to the corner. We are turning traffic around.
36 Central, I'm 23 with 23 on South Law.
Okay, Bryan, I'll get around.
So what do you think? Do you think a two-wheel drive was a problem with this M3? Would he made it with a four-wheel drive? Did he disconnect stability control, or did he just come as way too high speed onto that oncoming car? I guess we'll never know. But it was, I believe, 100, 120 miles per hour. And it's always tragic when you see things like this. It's not worth it, your life. Anyway, subscribe to GTBOARD.com active driving encounters for more European cars in action and also European police pursuits. Thumbs up, comment below, do a like. Press the like button.